Hi, today's topic is Milkha Singh and what we have learned from the movie Bhag Milkha Bhag. Milkha Singh is a former Indian track and field sprinter who was the first Indian male athlete to win an individual athlete's gold medal at Commonwealth Games. A biopic has been made by the name Bhag Milkha Bhag. Director Om Prakash Mehra and Prosun Joshi present the human and emotional value of Milkha Singh achievements. I have just watched the movie again, and this movie is incredibly inspirational and well scripted on the emotions of the story. And the film is about 3 hours long and a brilliant piece of work. Bhag Milkha Bhag, which touches the hearts, motivates, and inspires to follow our goals in life. Like number one, set goals in various stages of life and run after them. Just set goals by deciding what you want at that point of time and then run for the purpose. Milkha Singh runs to attain different goals at different phases of his life. At first, young Milkha runs in the blazing sun on the hot sands from school just to reach home early. Then he runs for his life to escape from the horse rider attacker during the India's partition. He runs to dodge getting caught stealing coal from the train. He runs in the army cross country race as he wants the privilege of earning a mug of full of milk, 2 eggs, and pardon from exercise. He runs for India's blazer and for his self-respect. He runs for the medals and for making India proud. So similarly, we need to set goals in different stages of life and adapt to the situation that comes our way and follow a plan with dedication to achieve them. Right? Then number two, to become successful, one needs inspiration, well-wishers, training and guidance. Biro, Milkha Singh's first love, inspires him to earn self-esteem and become a successful person. Milkha's sister, Isri Kaur, his biggest well-wisher, stand as a pillar of strength for him. And his two coaches, Gurudev Singh and Ranveer Singh, trained him to achieve his goal. They were Milkha's mentor who helped him rectify his skill by regular training. Our family and well-wisher will always be available for help us whenever we require. Take guidance from them to prepare a comprehensive plan and follow the steps suggested by them without a fall. Then number 3, train yourself like a champion. When world sleeps, Milkha Singh used to practice at night when others people go to sleep. He was practicing with hard work and determination to get selected for the upcoming race. So similarly, one should be passionate about his or her work and keen to learn. In case daytime is occupied with regular work and meeting at office, then he or she should be determined to spend some sleepless nights to upgrade their skills. Right? Then number 4, earn things for your need. Don't even try or eye others' belongings with greed. Milkha Singh, as seen in the film, is astonished to see a blazer worn by champion runner Seh Singh Rana. One day when Milkha picks up and wears the blazer just to get a feeling of it, he was attacked and insulted. So on that, coach Gurudev Singh slaps him and explains him that it is not easy to get things you like, and that you need to work hard to earn it. So everyone should watch this movie to learn life lesson from Milkha Singh, that we should forget the past as we cannot change it. Keep going and chasing our dream. Listen to your heart and listen to your near and dears. Share success with your dear ones. It motivates you. Do not get distracted while chasing your dream. Learn from mistakes. Bring discipline to your life. Keep yourself calm under pressure, and run every race like your last race. So, to achieve any goals in our life, we have to be fit and healthy. So, I promise myself to maintain the discipline and make a long term plan by following the compound interest philosophy. I will do the exercise daily as I need to lose some weight, and keep on working to increase my strength so that I can work harder for the success in my life. And I have set a time frame for it, and it is before the end of this year. I hope you all have inspired and motivated by this movie and will implement all the learnings in your life. Thank you so much.